Welcome back to Hanavi channel. Medyo matagal na po yung last upload namin at today, isi-share namin sa inyo ang aming pag-uwi sa Philippines. Ayan, kasama ko dyan si Hana. Pasakay na kami niyan sa eroplano dito sa Munich, Germany. So, ang aming flight ay from Munich, stopover kami sa Abu Dhabi and then from Abu Dhabi to Manila. So, ayan, nakikita ninyo, nasa eroplano na nga kami at na-serve na ang aming meal for today. Ang duration ng flight namin from Munich to Abu Dhabi ay almost 6 hours. So, itutuloy ko mamaya ang aking pagbablog kapag nag-stop over kami sa Abu Dhabi. See you later!
Welcome to Hanavi channel. I wanna say welcome to Asian Travel Body.
Dito sa Abu Dhabi International Airport, meron kaming 3 hours layover. Maghanap lang kami ng mabibilhan ng hamburger kasi nakikrave ng hamburger tong kasama ko and then didiretso na kami sa gate namin.
She hates me.
So, ito na ang aming connecting flight from Abu Dhabi to Manila, Philippines. Ang duration ng aming flight ay 8.5 hours. So, matutulog na muna kami. See you later! So, ikukwento ko lang kung ano yung nangyari. This time, 30 minutes nang delayed ang flight namin. Yung first attempt namin na mag-land sa Manila ay hindi successful dahil may low pressure sa Manila. Nahihirapan kami mag-landing. Pero itong second attempt namin mukhang kakayanin naman kasi nag-announce na yung captain. Kaya, ayan, palanding na kami guys. Palanding na kami sa Manila.
Until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartment and ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted and it has been our pleasure taking care of you today. Thank you.
Wir haben zweimal versucht. Weißt du das?
Was versucht?
Wegen schlechtes Wetter. Wir haben erstmal, wir haben nicht geschafft. Das ist der zweite Versuch.
Ach, da war ich ja noch wach. Ich musste einschlafen, sonst hätte ich nicht nur die Tüte angekotzt, hätte ich alles hier eingekotzt.
Welcome to Manila. Andito na kami sa Manila International Airport. Ang daming tao, late ang mga flight ng mga yan. Kasama na kami doon. Ayan. Gawa po yan ng bagyo. So, bababa na kami guys. See you again later. At dahil pagod na nga po kami sa biyahe, i-fast forward na natin.
Bulaga!
Bulaga ka dyan.
So, this is our room.
Let's go to the toilet.
Kasi, so, meron kaming mini bar. It's the bed. Jacket, diba, Toots?
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating vlog for today. Mag-a-upload pa po ako ng mga videos namin dito sa Philippines. Abangan nyo na lang po yan. Keep safe everyone!